Today we are going to draw a jellyfish. To draw a jellyfish, at first we have to draw a straight line like this. Next, we can draw a half circle on it. Now its eyes in this way. Now it's time of its lower body part. We can make it easily by wave lines. It's very easy and simple, so yes, the drawing is completed. It's time to color it. We'll apply the light sky blue in its whole body. In upper part, and lower part as well. We must try to keep the color in this powder. It can be challenging, so we mustn't give so much pressure on this color. Next, we can take a deep shade. It will give a texture of light and shade. It's a very easy way to draw a jellyfish. Yes, it's done.